How are we doing today? We're going to go over unboxing our brand new total drying racks. Going to open up the first portion, get everything put together, and then we'll open the second portion and put the whole thing together to finish it. Got your quick and easy directions right here. No, I'm kidding. Of course we're going to use those. Notice that these are locking casters. So once you've got everything put together, you get it in a spot you want it to stay. You just step right on that and lock it down. Hardware for the casters. These two boxes are the shelves and arms for said shelves. We'll go over the installation and assembly of those here shortly. Here's the base of the frame. Okay, just separating all the hardware here. All the frame nuts that we're working with here are already inserted into the frame. All you've got to do is line up each of the casters with the 4 bolts, put them in place, and then tighten them down. All right, so we're going to use either a 3/8 or a 10mm wrench on this, depending on what you have. Both will work. Just going to snug up each of these nice and tight on each caster. All right, now that we've got the base together, we're going to set the shelves off to the side for a second and put the upright on. For that, we need the other box. Okay. Get these back where they're not in your view, or blocking your view, I should say. Take your washer, your lock washer, and your bolt. Stick it on the bottom here. After we get all 4 of them set up, then we'll tighten all 4 of them down. All right, once you've got all your bolts and nuts started, you got a 9/16 wrench or a 14 millimeter. Either will work for that. They're not exactly the same, but they are close enough to get you in there, done and tight. Now you've got the bulk of your unit set up. Super easy to move around. When you're ready to, just lock one of those wheels down and it's good and stable there. Now we'll go through and start putting on the shelves. Personally, I find it easier, number one, to start at the bottom, but two, put the shelves themselves in first. Then we're going to grab the cross members and our tightening tool. And you're going to take these little tabs right here, and you're going to run those right inside. Good snug fit. Now, these two little teeth right here, I'm going to set up just inside that tooth, just outside the middle. Give it a little tweak over to fold that tab. That's going to give you your sturdiest fit all the way across. Same on both sides. And then that shelf's done. I'll finish building the rest and then we'll come to putting some material on. All right, when you're putting these shelves together, I want to get you a nice, good, close, tight shot here on what to do. You take that little cross member, give it a little effort, shove it in there. Do the same on the other side. Line up the holes, there we go. Now you're going to take this little tool, you're going to set it in here, across, inside the channel, and right behind that little tab, and then just bend that tab over so you get a nice, tight seal. There we go. Now all four of those tabs are closed tight, and that's not going to come apart on you. All right, and there you have it. This is our 50 shelf heavy duty drying rack from TotalFinishingSupplies.com. Pick yours up today.